I got a package. G'day, welcome to my channel. I'm Kathy. This is where I talk about my plants and all my other pet projects. And today I received a package. I really should not be allowed near a computer with a credit card. I really should not be buying any more plants because it is winter here in Melbourne, but I did. Yet again. To be fair though, I have had these plants in my cart for like at least a month, and for some reason in the last week I just could not resist. I kept going back, looking at it, almost checking out, and then deciding no, I really shouldn't get any more plants, and in the end I did. I don't know if people are aware of it, but Melbourne is in a second lockdown. We're having a second wave of coronavirus, and I think that might have contributed to my weakening and ending up buying some plants. We're really only allowed to go out for 4 reasons. We can't see friends or family, so it can be quite frustrating being stuck at home, especially in winter. I think it's also a bit more than that. In spring and summer, I was so busy looking after my plants outside that I struggled sometimes keeping up with my plants indoors. Especially when it was hot, I had to water them so often. Whereas now in winter, my outdoor plants are basically fine on their own. I don't need to do anything. And even my indoor plants don't need as much watering as they did in summer. So I find myself twiddling my thumbs thinking, I wish I had a few more plants to look after. This video isn't sponsored, of course. So now I'm going to open this box and let's hope I don't have the same trouble as I did last time. And I'll show you what I bought. These are mainly baby plants, and I don't even remember how many I bought. Oh, I should mention, I bought these plants from Nursery2U, and I'll link their website in my description box below. I ordered these, I think, on Friday, maybe on Saturday, and they told me that they won't post them out till the Monday, and today's Tuesday, so I got them extremely quickly, which is really great. And they're packaged up quite well. It does have a fragile sticker on it. And now I'll get into the box, if I can figure out how to open it. I always make it more complicated than I need to. Alright. Oh. I hope you guys can see, but don't worry, I'm going to give you close-ups of all the plants. Packed with packing peanuts. I think that's what they're called. I don't know. Apparently these are good if you need to fill, say, large pots. Say, for example, if you want to make your pot a bit lighter, you can fill part of the pot with these down the bottom and then put soil on top. Oh, I am definitely going to make a mess. So, we've got our invoice, I'm assuming. There's also a newbie's care sheet, which I thought was quite nice. Okay, I am so excited. Oh, yeah, they're going to go everywhere, these packing peanuts. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Then packed in bubble wrap. I know they're bare rooted. It says so on their website. I am definitely going to make a mess. I should have probably put something down, but I was just too excited to have a look. I'm trying to be very careful because I don't want to hurt the plants. Oh, how cute. Of course, my cat Maya knows that I'm filming, so she's deliberately trying to make some noise so that you'll hear her. I'm sure you can't see that. I will give you a close-up shot, don't worry. This one I believe is Peperomia angulata diamond. Oh, I just love peperomias. Oh, that is so adorable. I have read that peperomias don't ship very well, but so far this one looks quite good. It's got a lot of new growth points, so that is wonderful. One of the leaves are torn, but otherwise, oh, it's just adorable. So that's the first one. This is a pothos marble queen, or Epipremnum marble queen. I actually don't have one. I have the, what we call in Australia, snow queen, which I think is enjoy, but I'm not 100% sure. And I have the devil's ivy, or the golden pothos, but I really wanted a marble queen because I really love the variegation on the leaves, and these are quite beautiful. Like I said, these are all baby plants. I prefer to buy baby plants, so it doesn't cost me a lot of money, and secondly, I really get a lot of satisfaction out of watching them grow and know that I've helped that. Very healthy plants, great root system. Oh, just gorgeous. And the third one in this package is Schefflera Dwarf umbrella tree. I think it is a arboricola, but don't quote me. I'll have to double check and I'll put it on the screen. Yes, and this looks very healthy. Can you see how white those roots are? Very healthy. I was a little hesitant at first to get one of these because I have another Schefflera, an Alpine Junior, and it was really slow to grow and it didn't seem to be very happy. Now it seems to have settled in. Yes, it only took 6 months, so I thought I'd try my hand at this one because I really love the variegation on this one. So yes, that's my dwarf umbrella tree. So cute. Oh, just adorable. Oh, of course these packing peanuts are going to go everywhere. Well, this one is really pretty. I can already see it. I'm not sure if I like this bubble wrap system of wrapping them. I mean, the plants are fine. They don't look too stressed, but I guess they've only been in the mail for a day. Oh, okay, now that one is really pretty. I will give you better close-ups, but this is an Aglaonema Katrina. I am not really a fan of pink, but I do like the contrast of the green with the pink. And it's very healthy, as you can see. The root systems look great. Oh, that is so pretty, isn't it? Even I have to admit that. Okay, the next one is, yes, oh, that is so cute. This one is Syngonium Pixie. Even though my last Syngonium got spider mites, I thought I'd still give it another go because I do love the way they grow, and they are fast growers. So this is Pixie, which is a smaller version of Syngoniums. I know these don't grow very big, but oh, look at that. Isn't that just adorable? And again, healthy roots. Oh, that is just so adorable. And I got a second Syngonium. This one is called Dark. That's all it was called. So I'm going to have to do some research to try to identify exactly which species it is. But again, the roots look very healthy. That's what it looks like. Oh, very pretty. Quite different to the Syngonium white butterfly. But I do like the colouring on these leaves. And there's something else in here, but I think that's all I ordered. Oh, and something else too. Now, I'm assuming that this is fertilizer. It looks like the slow release fertilizers that I've used in the past. So I'm assuming that that's fertilizer. So that was very nice that they gave me some fertilizer. Oh, that is not a Peperomia. Now, I'm not sure what this is. I thought this was the Peperomia, but it's actually not. this is the Peperomia angulata diamond. Oh, isn't that just so gorgeous? Oh, so adorable. Oh my God, that is just so pretty. Yes, no, this is the Peperomia angulata diamond. And I'm not 100% sure what this one is. It looks like a Peperomia, but it might not be. No, it doesn't say what they've sent me, but I know that on their website they have a note that if you spend a particular amount of money, then you'll get a bonus plant. So I'm assuming that's what this is. Regardless, it's adorable. But I'd like to find out exactly what it is, and I'll let you guys know as well. And the last plant, oh no, I'm sorry, I got another plant. I think I got 2 bonus plants. Ooh, okay, I'll never say no to more plants. And I think this might be another Syngonium. Now, I'm going to have to do some research, and I'll put on the screen exactly what these 2 bonus plants are, because I know I did not order these 2. But like I said, I'll never say no to more plants. And the very last plant that I ordered is this, Scindapsus pictus Exotica. I've actually been after the Argirius, but it's always been sold out everywhere that I've looked. And from what I've seen of these grow really beautiful, but they have bigger leaves. I tend to like really small leaves, so I didn't know if I wanted to buy it, but I do love the look of these plants, and I think the Exotica and the Argirius are quite similar, or their leaves look very similar. It's just that the Exotica grows bigger leaves. Oh, just so adorable, isn't it? So I ended up with 9 plants. I really only ordered 7, but they gave me 2 bonus plants. I think altogether it totaled $87, and that's including shipping, which I thought was awesome. At the end, I'll give you shots of the plants potted up. But yes, that's all my new babies. Oh, they're just so adorable. So would I recommend Nursery2U? I definitely would. I think they did a great job, and the plants are all extremely healthy. There's no damage to them, or very slight damage, which is to be expected when plants are shipped. So I honestly can't fault their plants whatsoever. And they shipped very well. And I do believe they're in Queensland, and we're in Victoria, so that's quite a bit of distance. Every time I've seen Scindapsus anywhere, they're usually really expensive. So I was looking for baby plants, and I was very glad I found them. They also occasionally have a bit harder to find plants, which I like as well. So yes, I would definitely recommend Nursery2U if you are thinking of buying any plants from them. Enjoyed this plant haul. Let me know down in the comments which one of these new babies you liked, because I always love to hear what people like and what they don't. And if you have any care tips, definitely pass them on. I never say no to care tips. And if you like this video, you can do the usual thing. You can like, comment or subscribe. And for those of you who have subscribed, thank you. Love you guys. Really appreciate it. Until next time, take care all. Bye.